All right, let's get right to it. I'm packing for a beach trip, but not just any beach. I'm going to Lake Michigan, and I'm excited because there's no sharks. And I wanted to bring you along today while I'm packing and show you a few of the things that I'm bringing with me, and maybe it'll inspire you for your next trip. All right, so the items that I'm sharing with you today are not sponsored, but I will link them down below in the description box. Number one is this beach lounger. This came from Costco. I love it because it works as a backpack. And you know how it is trying to tote everything down to the beach. It's a lot of work. So I love that about this. I also love that it comes with this side table. This is great for your snacks and drinks. It folds out and also stores in your chair. So this just velcros open and it just slides back down in there. And I will open this up for you so you can see. We actually took this on a beach trip last summer and it worked out perfect. I was looking at the Costco website and it doesn't look like this one is still available anymore, but I know this was a good seller, so hopefully they will be bringing this back. My family and I, we actually have 4 of these. It's that good. So we have one for everyone in our family, and then nobody's fighting over a chair. All right, so another favorite are packing cubes. I know a lot of people use these nowadays. If you are not, I highly recommend it because it really helps keep you organized in your suitcase. If you have a large family, you can also buy different colors, and so each family member can have their own. And so these just came from Amazon, and I think they're just a really great thing to have when you are traveling. I own and love several different styles of bathing suits, but if you're looking for something with a little bit more coverage, this just came from Walmart for $19.99. I love this because in the evenings when I just want to take a stroll on the beach and it's a little bit chillier, I think this will be a great option. This is also more of an active wear, so I think not even just for the beach, you could wear this to go play tennis, pickleball, and just really be active and comfortable in this. Make sure you are checking out those late summer deals. There's a lot of things on sale right now, so make sure that you grab those up. All right, friends, I know that was short and sweet, but I have a lot of packing to get to. If you stuck with me today, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, this is a home and lifestyle channel, so if you love anything home, decor, organization, travel, stay tuned because I have many more videos coming up. I am also going to be vlogging, of course, this Michigan trip, so I would love for you to come along, and I will see you in the next video.